Hello, and thank you for joining us for this CMsit's blog installment on configuration management assessments. This blog's purpose is to provide a quick introduction to CM assessments, why they're needed, who should be conducting them, and how to get the process started with CMstat. A quick word about our company. CMstat has been a provider of configuration management and deliverables management software for over 30 years, and we're recognized industry leaders in all things CM and DM, configuration management and data management. Based on our involvement in industry standards organizations and our experiences with our customers, we also offer a range of consulting services, such as the CM assessment. What we're going to cover today are about configuration management assessments. Why would you want one? What is a CM assessment? Who should be performing the assessment? What would you expect as the result or the output? And how do you get started? So why would you want a CM assessment? How do you know that you need one? Are you looking to achieve digital transformation? Are you working to support digital twins and model-based systems engineering? Are there other initiatives like that you're trying to achieve that you're having trouble getting there? Can you accurately determine the risk involved in undertaking a complex change? Is data capture being done during design development without crippling the flow of ideas? Do you have confidence in the work that suppliers and subcontractors are doing for you? Or have you found yourself in the position of having a contract with complex data deliverables for the first time? These are just some of the reasons companies come to us to perform a CM assessment. Configuration management principles apply to every aspect of managing a product, whether it's a physical product, whether it's processes, it could be services, facilities, software, or even an enterprise itself. CM is made up of a set of interlocking functions, and when they're working in concert, they provide a solid foundation from which you can move from putting out fires to data-driven, intelligent management of your business. The resulting direction, which is the output of a CM assessment, allows you to close the gaps and move into that purposeful management of your business. In our experience, we've seen companies who are struggling under the outdated concept that CM is a back office, administrative kind of function, or that it's too cumbersome, expensive, time-consuming, etc. to implement. Modern CM is none of those things, and actually is a process that is complementary to quality, IT, data management, and it enhances your ability to produce excellent quality product on time and on budget. So what is a CM assessment like? What's in a CM assessment? Well, similar to an audit, an assessment needs to start with a plan for how it's going to be conducted, and that should include review of any requirements and regulations that are particular to your industry, your region, your country, or even your corporate direction on what your business goals are and what your goals are for configuration management. It should also include a review of the existing state of CM processes, how they interact with complementary systems, such as IT and quality. And so those are also included in that review based on the environment that you're in. The review should be done with the intention of finding crucial points where these disciplines cross paths with CM and making sure that the feedback loops and the crosstalk between them are being done in an efficient and appropriate way for what you're trying to achieve. Enabling technologies are also considered, and in that case, we're looking to find out, are they supporting the processes and enabling automation where possible? And are they being used to their full potential? The most common pitfall we see here is to have a business process consultant perform the assessment whose expertise and experiences don't center around CM. So if you've had an assessment done before, or maybe had a business process improvement initiative undertaken in the past with a consultant who's not a CM professional, then that might be the reason you didn't get the results you were hoping for. A trained CM assessor has the knowledge, the skill set, and the experience necessary to conduct the assessment and recognize opportunities for improvement and ways to fill those gaps that will lead you to fulfilling your business goals. Worst case scenario here is that the value of CM is going to continue to be out of reach for your organization. And of course, the time involved in getting that business process consulting in and spending that effort is still going to leave you not realizing the full potential of what CM can do for you. And you might ask, aren't there standards in place where we can go and read and find out about how we're supposed to do this and tell us what to do? Why do we need an assessment? Well, there are standards, all right. There are standards in every industry, every region, for every product type, and they give high-level direction. As a practitioner, I can tell you that there are not specific enough details in those standards to take them and develop your whole CM system unless you have somebody who's got the background and experience on board. The reason they're written at such a high level is that CM is supposed to be tailored to the environment that the product's living in. That's how it can be implemented without adding unnecessary red tape and overhead. It's also why a certified CM practitioner is crucial, because someone who's been through that training and had that experience will be able to do that tailoring while still achieving the intent that's called for in all of those standards. A qualified CM professional will have achieved certification through a recognized training organization. I personally hold CM PICS SME and CM Assessor certifications, and I'm also an adjunct instructor for their CM Assessor certification course. This type of training and the experience with real-world environments is crucial to understand, to have a clear understanding, rather, of how all the elements of configuration management work together. It's like a well-designed machine where every component has a job to do. What you should expect from the assessment, the outputs, should be at the very least a report detailing the current state and identifying any gaps between what that current state is and the best practices. Recommendations that are given should be broken down into very specific, actionable steps that are needed in order to move you forward. The assessor should also be available afterwards for you to call upon them as you are implementing those recommendations for any clarification needed. And finally, if a multi-phased approach is needed, then there should be a roadmap provided that will inform you about what needs to be done, what's the most crucial thing to be done, what can be done next, how do you build on what it is that you have been suggested to do. And how to get the process started. You can contact us at our website, CMstat.com. You can also email us at information@cmstat.com, and we'd be happy to talk about what it is you're looking to achieve and let you know what the possibilities are. Thank you again for joining us, and we look forward to hearing from you.